Welcome to our geometry series. Today, we are going to explore a fundamental concept called a ray. You might have heard the word ray used when talking about the sun or a flashlight. In geometry, it has a very specific meaning. Let's find out what it is. So, what exactly is a ray? Think of a line. A line goes on forever in both directions. Now, imagine cutting that line at a single point. A ray is a part of a line that has one endpoint and extends infinitely in one direction. It starts at a specific point, but it never ends. In geometry, how we write things down is very important. To name a ray, we use 2 points. The first letter must always be the endpoint. The second letter can be any other point on the ray. We draw a small arrow pointing to the right over these 2 letters. For example, ray AB starts at point A and goes through point B. You cannot switch the order, because ray BA would mean it starts at B and goes through A, which is completely different. Let's compare a ray to other lines you know. A line segment has 2 endpoints and a fixed length. You can measure it. A line has 0 endpoints and goes on forever in both directions. A ray is right in the middle. It has exactly 1 endpoint and goes on forever in just one direction. That is why it is sometimes called a half line. The best way to visualize a ray is to think of the sun. The sun itself is the endpoint. The beams of light shooting out from it are the rays. They start at the sun and travel out into space forever. A flashlight works the same way. The bulb is the starting point, and the beam of light extends outwards in a straight line. Sometimes we have 2 rays that share the same endpoint but go in completely opposite directions. When this happens, they form a straight line. We call these opposite rays. In this diagram, ray BA goes to the left and ray BC goes to the right. Together, they make the line AC. Rays are the building blocks of angles. In fact, an angle is simply formed when 2 rays share a common endpoint. We call this shared point the vertex of the angle, and the 2 rays are called the sides. So whenever you see an angle, remember you are actually looking at 2 rays meeting at a point. Let's review what we learned. A ray starts at one endpoint and extends infinitely in one direction. When writing it, always put the endpoint letter first. And finally, 2 rays sharing an endpoint create an angle. Thank you for watching, and keep practicing your geometry.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.